1, go.
Hey guys, today we're here at Great Wolf Lodge to spend the night. And so I'm going to give you a quick room tour. There's a bed with Daddy on it.
Hello.
And then our next bed. And then if you walk over there, we got our snack table. And then we got our sink,
Mini fridge.
microwave. And then let's show them the bathroom.
I'm not done finishing this yet.
Okay. And here's the bathroom.
Did you guys see my... That's your swimsuit.
Okay, come on.
It's so pretty. I stole Bia's towel and I'm wearing it.
Bathroom.
I'm on the toilet.
Bathroom with itty bitty tub and the toilet.
So small. Alright, I'm claustrophobic in here.
And now, let's go here. Alright, so now
We have the tiniest television you've ever seen.
these are little bags. And we got here. Look at this.
Mom got it for us from the car.
We don't know what it is. What it
It's
is.
like a...
It's
It's supposed to be a pony, and then there are wings.
Okay,
This one, wait, let me see. This one is Bia's.
Come on.
There's a little floaty for their dolls. But then over here, we have Mom, our half-eaten Lunchables, and a table, a lamp. These lamps turn on really weird. Let me show you. Wait, see this little button right there? That's what turns it on and off. Oh. It's weird. I don't like how they work.
And then we got this little table.
You got a little
and our
table
couch
with a couch. I'm pretty sure it pulls out.
And that.
There's a wall. There's a wall which leads over to the bed.
That's pretty much.
And this cool moose lamp. Mooses.
Sophie, can I have the camera, please?
Alright, show me in Bia's towel.
Okay.
I'm playing the camera. Oh my gosh, I gotta take a picture. Okay, that's adorable. Okay, so now we're gonna get to me. So that is our Great Wolf Lodge room tour. We will be back in a little bit. Making another one after the water park and here. Alright, bye guys. Love you. Bye. Mom, say bye.
Bye.